My name is Jody Williams. I'm a botanical artist here at the Foundry Art Center. I draw and paint and photograph plants, and currently I have a solo exhibition downstairs in the Ameristar gallery here at the Foundry exhibiting 26 photographs of plants in abstraction. To me, the biggest compliment I can hear about my work is for someone to walk up and say, "Wow, I never noticed that before." And so with plants, there's so many things that people overlook that they're not familiar with. And so I want, with that body of work, to draw people in because it looks like abstract art. But then once they get closer and realize, wow, this is a living thing, this is a plant, I hope that that will inspire them to take notice of the plants around them and grow in their own appreciation of the natural world. I always have my camera with me. I take my camera everywhere I go, and I take hundreds of pictures, thousands of pictures, and maintain those on my computer and keep track of the information so that I can easily retrieve them when I start to work on a particular body of work along a certain theme or to tell a certain story. Each image contains multiple sub-images, and so I'm always looking and examining the same images over and over and looking for where's the composition within the composition. Whenever I take a photograph in the field, I'll usually take a very wide angle photograph so that I know the context. I know where the plant's growing, I know how it holds itself, I know what its surroundings look like. And then I'll zoom in and take maybe a mid-range image and then maybe some close-up images. And I use these images to put together stories that illustrate different points. So that's really the fun and the challenge, is to take a theme and select images and work with those images to tell a story that I can show in an exhibition or a book or here in my studio space. The Foundry Art Center has been fabulous. I've been here for about 7 years, and to have this much space, this much light, a view over the Missouri River is so inspiring. We have a wonderful community of artists who help each other, and I'm so fortunate to be able to work in this sort of environment. I hope you'll come out and see the exhibition. It runs through the end of October. And for more information, you can visit foundryartcenter.org.